Right here on today's video, I'm going to be showing you the strategies to make money and improve your grades in 2024. The major cause of bad grade is lack of motivation as a result of hunger and financial constraints. Right here on today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the different ways you can make money as a student in 2024, and these techniques that I will show you will not only make you money but also enhance your learning potential and get you the grades you desire. Of course, there are certain things you need to take into consideration in order for you to do this. Now, the first step you should take is to discover a particular course which your colleagues are finding so difficult. And when you do this, the next step is to try to learn it so well than anybody else. And the major reason why I'm saying this is because the more difficult a particular course is, the likelihood people will actually demand for help and the more money you have. The very first way is to organize tutorials for your colleagues. Now, as a result of the fact that that particular course is so difficult and people are actually finding solutions to that particular course, and as well they want to pass it, you can organize tutorials for it and charge money. Do not do it for free. So when you charge money, you can as well get money from the tutorial. While you are teaching, you are enhancing what you actually read. Another way you can make money as a student that can improve your grade in 2024 is to condense your material into a note and sell it to your colleagues. Now, there are certain courses in which they give materials and the materials are too bulky for them to actually read, and some of them are too lazy to do that. Condense it to a small note that it will be very easy for them to read and sell it to them. And when you do this, you can read that material yourself, which will improve your grades and as well reduce the stress of you reading the bulky one. And when you sell it to them, you can get more money. So another thing you should do is to do assignments for them and sell it. There are certain assignments that are so difficult for them to do, which could include them using a particular software on the computer, and most of these students are actually lazy to do it. So you can take it upon yourself to learn that particular thing and do it for them and get paid for it. So, and as well, when you are learning, you are actually adding to your knowledge bank, and as well, you are also selling what you actually did to your colleagues and you are getting money in return. So the fact that it's so difficult, you are pushing yourself through to work extra hard to learn that particular thing, and as well, you are selling it to make money. Another way you can make money as a student and as well improve your grades is to solve past questions and sell it to your colleagues. Now, there are certain past questions that are released by your tutor or your lecturer at any point in time. So when you get these past questions, find solutions to these past questions. When you're finding solutions to these past questions, you're actually learning yourself, and you also have a goal of selling that materials to your colleagues to get money. So when you do this, you're actually chasing two things at a time. You are learning and you are also getting money from it. So when you do this, it will actually enhance your learning potential and you get money. And please take note that when you are doing this, make sure you are doing it for your own colleagues, not for other people that will be for other levels, because when you do that, you have actually passed that level and you might not be able to improve yourself in the present world. In order for it to improve your grade or to increase your learning potential, make sure that you are doing it for your colleagues, because at that point in time, you are learning that point in time and you are also making money alongside. So another way you can make money as a student and also increase your learning potential and improve your grades is to do research work and get paid. Now, there are a lot of students that are lazy and they are so afraid to embark on their research projects and all that. So you can take it upon yourself and do the research for them, and as well do your own, and you can get paid. Now, don't even mind if you don't know anything about it, because you can as well collect the work and you learn in the process, so and you get paid for it. So you are learning and you are also getting paid, and you're actually catching two things at a time, unlike some students that are too lazy and they won't want to do it. So this is the very big way you can make money. If you follow all these steps, you actually increase your learning potential, improve your grades, and also make money in 2024. If you got value from this video, please smash the like button, and also please subscribe to this channel. Also, you can check out this other video on how you can overcome difficult topics. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.